Welcome to our YouTube video on gravitational waves, one of the most fascinating discoveries in modern science. Gravitational waves are ripples in the fabric of spacetime caused by the acceleration of massive objects, such as colliding black holes or neutron stars. To detect these elusive waves, scientists built the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory, or LIGO for short. LIGO consists of two observatories located thousands of kilometers apart. At each LIGO site, there are two perpendicular arms, each measuring 4 kilometers in length. Laser beams are sent down these arms and reflected back to their source using mirrors. The laser beams are combined at the intersection of the arms, creating an interference pattern. When gravitational waves pass through the observatory, they cause a minute stretching and squeezing of spacetime, which alters the interference pattern. Scientists meticulously analyze the interference pattern to extract the subtle signals of gravitational waves. In September 2015, LIGO made history by detecting gravitational waves for the very first time. This confirmation of Einstein's theory of general relativity opened up a new era of gravitational wave astronomy. Since then, LIGO and other observatories around the world have made several groundbreaking detections, including the merger of black holes and neutron stars. These detections provide us with a wealth of information about the universe. They allow us to study the behavior of matter under extreme conditions and explore the mysteries of black holes and neutron stars. Looking ahead, scientists are working on improving gravitational wave detectors to make them even more sensitive. This will enable us to detect weaker signals and observe events further back in time. Gravitational waves have opened a new window to the universe, offering us a deeper understanding of the cosmos. With ongoing research and technological advancements, we can expect more exciting discoveries on the horizon.